born again. Clothe yourself with this new nature. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 24. In Texas they tell a story about a man who used to hitch his horse every morning in front of the saloon. One morning the saloon keeper came out and found that the horse was hitched in front of the Methodist church. He saw the man walking down the street and called out, "Say, why is your horse hitched in front of the Methodist church this morning?" The man turned around and said, "Well, last night I was converted in the revival meeting, and I've changed hitching posts. That's what it means to be born again. That's what it means to be converted. It means that you changed hitching posts." Prayer for the day. May I live in such a way that people will know that I am bound in the freedom of your love.